Welcome back. You can actually restrict your search based on the file type. And in order to do that, you're going to put in a certain search command, and the command is file type with a colon. Once you've done that, what you'll do is you'll put in the file extension that you actually want Google to actually search for. And the only results that Google will bring back will be those results that have the file type that you are looking for. In this particular case, we are looking for PDFs, so we're going to go ahead and click enter. And so you'll notice then that the only results that come back are going to be PDFs. So if you're looking for PowerPoint, you can do that. Maybe you're looking for the old PowerPoint. Or you can even look for a Microsoft Word document. So as long as you know the file type, you can actually limit your search by that file type by writing in file type, colon, and then the file type you are looking for. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.